Hi everyone, this is my final project. I did a canning inventory system for Waikiki Brewing. I used the Bootstrap for my design so that you can see it'll adjust as this shrinks. So they can use this on their phone, which is probably what they would typically do unless they have a laptop back in the warehouse. So to get started, they would do a new batch. They would click on this first button here, select the beer type that they're planning to brew or that they've already brewed. This would probably be easier to do after the brewing process. They would select the beer type, put in the quantity that they originally started with, and they use quite a bit. It's usually between 27 and 30,000 cans. They would subtract the ones that were overfilled, they were too heavy, and the ounces were too much for retail, as well as the underfill. These will then be subtracted from the inventory total. This alert will come up once they submit the batch and shows the quantity of the amount that actually went into inventory. For this purpose of the project, I only did inventory that's available by pallet size because that's how they sell to their distributors. However, whatever's left over minus the pallet size, I also did create in the database a individual can amount that didn't fit into the pallets, but it was too big for the scope, so we aren't seeing this, but it is in the database. Once they want to record a sale, they can either go back to the home page, or if it's a brand new thing not at the same time, start from the home page, or from here they can click record sale. They can select the beer type that they're going to sell to the distributor, see the available inventory, and this will show everything that has a no sold indicator as well as a blank sold date. They can choose which batch they want to sell. In this case, all pallets, there's 10 pallets available for each batch. If they had a batch request that was less than 10, they could select that one over the other one if there was something available. But all processes they do are through the batch. It's always sold as a batch. So we're going to sell batch 56. Pushing this button then updates the database to a Y sold indicator and a sold date of the current date. They can also purge sold records. They only will do this every 2 years because they need to keep this information on hand. They can see all sold batches by clicking this button. And these, each one of these actually, this record a sale and the purge, both use a get method to pull the information from the database. Let's see which one. We will do batch 19. That is the oldest batch. We'll just pretend like it's 2 years old. They put in batch 19. They purged batch 19, and this has now deleted the batch from the database. This is my project, and this is all the purpose that it has at this point. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.